You can improve collaboration of your teams and optimize your localization workflow using content management system Gridly and translation management tool Memsource in tandem. Connecting Gridly with Memsource is exceptionally easy to do. We navigate over here to Add-ons, click on Memsource, and then click on Install. Now we have to copy this redirect URI and paste that into Memsource. So now we'll switch over. In Memsource, you go to the Setup here, and then to Registered OAuth Apps. In here, you select New, you add the name, the redirect URI, and the description, and then click on Save. Memsource generates a client ID, which we need to paste into Gridly. So I'll switch back over now. Back in Gridly, we need to paste this into this area here and connect. This authorization window will then appear and we click on Allow. Great, we're now connected to Memsource. The add-on pushes content from the active view of a grid and creates a job in Memsource, so I'll show you in a grid. To be able to do so, the view must contain a source language, a target language, and also dependencies need to be set between them. As content in Gridly can be continuously created and updated, you use filters to only push content to Memsource that needs to be updated. So I shall add a filter here. I shall choose Spanish. It's not up to date. And we see here, this has now been filtered down. To the right, we see we have a Memsource icon. We click on that, and now we can push to Memsource. We must select a source language here. Of course, you could have multiple source languages. And then we need to select a target. I'll choose Spanish here, and then you can select other columns at this point too. And I shall push. So that's now been pushed to Memsource, and I shall switch back over. I shall select that now. It also creates a job in Memsource for every pair of source and target languages selected in Gridly. And I'll select that job. In Memsource, translators can accept the job and work on it, like so. I shall use the power of video editing to speed things up. There we go. So once ready, the translator will click on Complete and complete that job. That's the trigger that sends the translation to Gridly. So we'll switch back to Gridly. Okay, and there we go. Here's the Spanish in this column as it should be. And that's how you connect Memsource with Gridly.